Hey guys, this is Vismay P. Darshi. This is my new channel VPD. Please subscribe, share and like my videos. So, in this channel, I'm gonna post interesting and eye-catching videos of education, comedy, gaming and DIY videos. I'm gonna do DIY video in this session. Let's see how to make a bow and arrow using a hanger. This is how a completed bow and arrow looks. This is an arrow holder where you keep a bunch of arrows. This is a target. You do aim for this red thing, and I do have markers for my bow and arrow so that I can easily identify my bow and arrow. So this is what you are gonna learn in this video. These are the materials required to complete this project. A pencil, permanent marker, cutter, few rubber bands, brush pens or sketch pens, couple of sticks. I'm using a scotch tape, you can use any type of tape. A holder, A4 size sheet, these two empty boxes, one with a rectangular surface and another with a square surface, and finally the hanger. Now let's get into the steps to make a bow. So the first thing you need to do is to take a permanent marker and mark it over here and follow the same thing on the other side. I'm using a cutter to cut the marked portions. Be careful while using tools like scissors and cutters. After cutting the marked portion, the hanger might look like this. Then keep the hanger aside. Then take a rubber band and cut it. After cutting, knot it two sides. After that, insert one knot at the one C-shaped part and then insert it to the other one. Be careful because the rubber band is elastic. Now that the bow is completed, let's stick an identifier to the bow using a scotch tape. I'm gonna stick the scotch tape to the hanger and use sufficient tape to stick the bow to the identifier firmly. So you can see an attractive bow is completed. Now it's time to create an arrow like this. Take two sticks and use scotch tape to bind it together. You should bind it at both the sides of the sticks. I have made these two triangles to stick it for the upper portion of the arrow. So come on, let's stick it. Use sufficient scotch tape so that it sticks firmly. After sticking it to the one piece of triangle, take another piece bind it. You need to bind it together at the sides of the triangle. After binding the arrow, you should take a label, or you can use a A4 size sheet and stick it by the gum. So I'm using the label. Let me take it out. So I should peel the label. I peeled this label, then I'm gonna stick it for the upper portion of the arrow. After that, you can create your own logo and just color it out over here. Take an empty box like this and cut the upper portion of the box. After that, it will look like this, and cover the box with a gift wrapper or a fancy sheet. Then make a hole over here, then place the hook holder inside it. We are at the final stage now. So any guesses why am I using this box? Correct, it's to make a target spot to fire our arrows. So the first thing you need to do is to make a small circle, then a big circle. After that, draw 4 lines at north, west, east, south directions. Then use brush pens to color it. The small circle, I'm using red, and make the outline of the bigger circle using black or brown. Then also outline the four lines. So it's ready, our target is ready.
So this is my completed bow and arrow and a arrow holder. I do like the arrow holder to be placed over here because I can grab arrows easily and just shoot on. So after the target, this is my target, and let's see how many points I can get. And one target goes for 10